Hello everyone, welcome to Reboot and Rise with MLR. Today we are diving into a vital topic for anyone leading IT, especially in the retail industry. That is mastering IT leadership and best practices for success. As a IT leader or aspiring to be, your role goes beyond just managing the systems. You are the catalyst for innovation, transformation, and real business growth. Let's break down the key pillars that define the high impact for IT leadership in retail.
Let's begin with the foundation, that is a vision. To lead effectively in retail, your strategy must laser aligned with the business objectives and goals. Every technology investment, it should either drive revenue, boost efficiency, or elevate the customer experience. Now think ahead. Are you staying ahead of trends? AI, omnichannel, automation, hyper personalization? Remember, these are not buzzwords. These are the future. And as a leader, it's your job to champion the digital transformation, not as an upgrade, remember, but as a true game changer for how your company operates and connect with the customers. And another important thing is IT is no longer just a support. It is the core engine for growth. Okay? Now you have got the vision. Let's talk about the execution. Running IT like high performance engine means focusing on governance, compliance, and scale. You need to have a strong framework that predicts the business while allowing it to grow. Start use the cloud like AWS, Azure, GCP in order to scale smartly. Also leverage the automation to reduce the manual overhead. Something like moving to Xcode Cloud for iOS so that like you can automate the cloud workflows and have a faster and reliable releases. Don't forget like the agile mindset and the DevOps practices. These are essential for shipping faster, learn fast, and iterate faster. Another important thing is we need to track the key metrics like the uptime, incident, response, threat detection. These numbers tell us the story how reliable our systems are. Operational excellence is not optional, it is the backbone for our systems and everything as an IT leader. Okay, let's shift to the customer focus. Today, the retail is digital first, and so your strategy must, right? It must support e commerce, mobile apps, and in store tech, and it should be seamless. From AI driven recommendation to virtual try on, supply chain, and the goal is to make the experience effortless and engaging. You also need to integrate systems with point of sale, inventory, supply chain, and all in real time insights so that like you can take better decision making. And ultimately, we are designing a journey that is a frictionless online, offline, everywhere for our customers. Okay. Now, this is where you need to make a technology truly matter by putting customer at center. So we need to enhance our customer journey or customer experience with latest tools like or latest technologies like AI, data analytics. I mean, this is not just to optimize, but to anticipate what do your customers want next, when they will want it. Build personalization campaigns, offer intelligent promotions, and support them 24/7 with chatbots, voice assistants that actually add a value to business. Technology, when done right, remember it creates a relationship, not just the transactions. Okay. Now let's discuss about the critical pillar that is security. In retail, we handle sensitive data that is like customer credit card info, address, buying habits. That means your IT strategy must prioritize the cybersecurity. Ensure like the PCCI, DSS complaints, and set up real-time threats and educate your team members so that like the human errors we can eliminate the human errors because those are one of the biggest vulnerabilities. Security is not just about checkbox. Okay, it is a mindset. Be proactive and not reactive. Let's explore what is possible because innovation is what sets a leader apart. Think big, think about AI, augmented reality, virtual reality, blockchain, or Internet of Things. Consider like the piloting kind of a cashierless stores or AI powered shopping assistants. These are not future dreams, these are the current opportunities. And remember, you don't have to go to alone. Partner with startups, co create with vendors, stay curious, stay open, and lead the change. Most importantly, innovation is not one time project. It is a culture that you need to inculcate in the team. A strong strategy needs a strong team. So, as a leader, you must invest in people, hire those with the deep skills like cloud, AI, security. But just as importantly, create a culture of collaboration, curiosity, and continuous learning, and foster the alignment between IT, business teams, marketing, sales, operations, and another important thing is like must break down the silos because great leadership is not about command, it's about inspiration and enablement. Okay, and other important thing is like the cost optimization. Let's talk about budget because leading IT also means financially savvy. So you must optimize spends by using a SaaS or cloud and managing the cloud cost, negotiate smarter with vendors, and hold the vendors accountable to SLAs, performances, and return on investments, and automate wherever possible. Every automated workflows is a time and money saved. Smart IT spend equal to strategic impact. Clear? And the next important pillar is data. So use your data properly for decision making and deploy the right dashboards, real time dashboards, and train your team with AI and ML kind of a tools for predictive analytics to stay ahead, not just to keep up. Okay, and drive the decisions with the data you collecting in real time. The more you lead with the data, the sharper the decisions you make. Okay. Another big thing is collaboration. This is a biggest thing I can say. So IT can't work in isolation. Okay, you must be a trusted partner for a leadership team like VPs, SVPs, CIOs, CMOs, COOs. Understand their goals, translate them into strategic tech strategies. Communicate not just the what part, but the why and the value is very much important. When IT when IT and business moves as one, and remember the growth is exponential. And finally, let's future proof your leadership. Okay, so that means you need to stay up to date with retail technology. If you are in retail industry or any other industry, you must be stay up to date on the technology. And the retail space is evolving, so you must promote a learning culture. Ensure like your team to learn continuous, host workshops, sponsor certifications, and reward learning. And adapt to meet the new challenges. As a leader, who thrive are not the ones who knew everything, but the ones who adapt quickly and learn relentlessly. And to recap, as an IT leader, you are a strategic enabler, and by following these best practices, you can drive the meaningful digital transformation, efficiency, and the customer experience. And also, you can build strong, secure, and innovative teams and protect the business while empowering your team, and also deliver exceptional customer experience. And remember, you are not just leading IT, you are building the future of retail. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video with another interesting topic. Until then, thank you.